envisions mentoring. And the purpose of this speech that she's going to present is to share some aspect of her previous experience as a mentee or a protégé. The time allocated is 5 to 7 minutes, ma'am.
Thank you, DTM Suresh. So, Madam Toastmaster Vijay is attempting Project 3 from Level 2. The title of her speech is The Stalwarts. The Stalwarts, Level 2, from Level 2, Project 3. Over to you, Madam Toastmaster Vijay.
Hello?
Yes, Vijay, Toastmaster Vijay.
वो आपका ना कुछ शायद नेट इशू था, तो अभी ये जो स्पीच होगा इसके बाद हम लेंगे आपका, या फिर दोनों स्पीच होने के बाद आप?
Geetal, please switch off your mic.
Madam Toastmaster Vijay, are you ready? Toastmaster Vijay?
Vijay, we can't hear you.
He's muted. Can you please unmute Toastmaster Vijay?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Shall I start? Am I audible?
Yeah.
My mentors who made me a better speaker and even a better person. A mentor is someone who sees in us what we fail to discover ourselves and brings out gently and makes us satisfied. If we get one such mentor, our life automatically becomes rich in the true sense of the word. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, a warm good evening to all. During my school days, I always admired by my friends those who could speak English fluently. It has been my passion and desire to improve my communication skills. So I joined Vivekananda Spoken English course in my 10th class. It was a great social status if you attended one, even if you did not know how to speak. I picked up bits and pieces, still I treasure that group photo. After completing my 12th standard, again I tried. But this time I learned from a retired English professor of St. Joseph College, Trichy, Mr. Tirunavukara sir. He was completely patient with me. Classes used to be 7 to 8:30 a.m. I would cycle my way to his home. But now it seems a distant dream in thoughts as well as in action. On both occasions, I was a silent and mute spectator and would keep quiet all the time. One day, my professor asked me to speak for 5 minutes at a stretch. I was tongue-tied and tensed up, but I spoke what I felt. The 5 minutes were over. I was shocked with his compliments. My confidence level soared up. Then I decided I will talk in English come what may. I used to watch BBC, NTTV Good Times, Travel and Living. But my mom used to get fight with me for not allowing her to watch TV serials. I would understand different accents too. During my college days, I would deliver elegant presentations and seminars. For my UG project team, I was the team lead. Without shyness, I have talked with my computer science department heads and lecturers. Another challenging part of my life was my workplace. After completing my degree, I got a job as a faculty for teaching software courses like C, C++, Visual Basic and .NET. There I got to know two persons, Yasmin and Suresh Kannan. They were molded me very well. A big highlight was I took classes for MBA, MCA, engineering. Even working people also came for learning software courses. After coming to Jubail, after delivering my two daughters, something was missing in my life. Meanwhile, my husband Uday had joined Arabian Toastmasters Club, was winning speeches and sending videos. Then I decided there was an option to explore a new world. So I became a member of Nisha Toastmasters Club on September 1st, 2018. I selected my mentor, who is a very selfless person. First, he is my daughter's Balavika's guru. Such a humble man, Toastmaster Arun Vasan. I drafted my icebreaker speech, sent to him. He did some correction and gave it back. I would not believe that was it my draft. He vibrantly did some magic. I presented on 3rd November 2018. Among the 3 speakers, I got the Best Speakers Award. I was on cloud 9. Then time for club contest came. I gave my name for table topic and humorous speech. For my humorous speech, my mentor greatly escaped from me. So I had to get mentorship from another tall leader. So my husband Toastmaster Uday chose one person. Exactly, he's a tall leader only. None other than DTM Uman Thomas. As usual, I sent my script to him. I don't know what kind of magic tricks all the mentors are using. He astutely structured my script. On December 31st night, 2018 New Year Eve, we knocked the door of DTM Uman Thomas and Sarah ma'am for my rehearsal. Truly, I was a bit tensed and nervous. But that patience is worth mentioning here. Hats off to the charming couple, especially their hospitality. They were molding me perfectly. Each tiny techniques they taught me elegantly. My club contest was on January 4th, 2019. I performed well, got 2nd place in my club level. I had been selected for area level. With the proper guidance, I got 1st place. Yes, got Humorous Speech Champion Award of Area 17. Then participated in divisional level. Exactly. DELC 2019 was the most memorable event in my life with a world champion speaker Ramona J. Smith. I gained nice recognition and tall leaders introduction. In this year 2020 area contest, I had an opportunity as a contest chair role of evaluation contest. I did a pretty satisfying job under the guidance of DTM Kotishwaran. He taught me a few techniques that vastly enhanced my stage skills. Moreover, he trained me perfectly about the contest chair roles and responsibilities. Toastmasters, we should always grab the opportunities whenever and whatever may come. My real-life miracles would not have been possible without my astute mentors. Then it was back to my Pathways projects. I did research, time management, self-coaching. In each and every step, my mentor, Toastmaster Arun Vasan, has been offering his full guidance, support, and innovative ideas. Many of my friends used to tell that, Viji, your speech crafting was so good. I proudly say that all because of my mentor, Toastmaster Arun Vasan. There are many others who have shared their valuable advices. I treasure them. I was low on confidence. My mentors made me super confident. I was slow to take off, but my mentors made me a fast tracker. I assure you all, I can blow any speech away with a perfect flow and glow. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.